Hi guys, my name is Summer Janae and welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow will be 3 weeks to the date that I've had my knee replacement surgery, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys a couple of updates. Probably by the time you see this particular video, it will be like in March or April, but right now it's February 22nd. I am doing a lot better with getting around on my walker. I have not graduated from my walker yet, but I am, in terms of bending my knee, I have already exceeded my um, week 4 goal in terms of bending, but I still have a lot of restrictive area in my knee here, and it sometimes starts spazzing up really bad. So when people ask me how am I doing, I tell them as good as one can be doing 3 weeks out from surgery, because that's just the God's honest truth. I'm gonna put my Surface Pro down so that I can kind of show you guys where I am knee wise in terms of an update. But this is about as high as I can get it, lifting it up myself, but this is what it looks like today. I am able, for the most part, I can take a shower on my own. I can almost get dressed without any help. Like if I roll over to the bed and put the bottom half of what I need to put on over to the bed, then I can get dressed on my own. But otherwise, I still need help getting dressed if I'm like standing up. But I can really roll around, make a couple laps in my house to kind of get a little bit of exercise in. But I still am kind of fighting energy in terms of being able to like go out, like that's a no-go. I can go to physical therapy, but like me and go rolling in a store or something like that, yeah, that's not gonna work. Or yeah, like, because for me to get from my couch to my car to get in to go to physical therapy, that kind of, I get winded doing that. And then to get from my car to inside physical therapy, even though my family drops me off at the front door, that's a lot. And luckily I have to like sit there and wait for them to call my name so I get myself together again. And so I just kind of wanted to give you a quick update in terms of what to look out for if you're like in this time frame of the recovery process. The really big thing I want to share with you guys is if you have a sleep number bed, and I remember showing you guys the railing to help you get out of the bed, that doesn't work with the sleep number bed, based on like, especially if you have it tilted up. And so don't do that if you have a sleep number bed. The leg compressions worked really well. The ramp worked really well in terms of the foot ramp. The toilet lift works really well. I like that. And speaking of toilets, let me shift gears on you really quickly. Make sure you guys are using stool softeners, especially the first couple weeks coming home after your surgery, when you may be on the stronger medication coming from home from the hospital, because they can really block things up for you, if you will, to kind of keep it kosher. I ended up having to go to the ER because I was very backed up. And just make sure you're using a stool softener. after your surgery, especially with the narcotics, because um, it can cause some serious issues. I ended up weaning myself off the heaviest one, like after the first week, and then the second one after the second week. So now I'm just for pain management, I'm on Tylenol and Advil, and I'm still on like my blood thinners. I have about another week to go before it's time to do a follow-up with my first follow-up with my doctor. So I won't be able to medically tell you guys how they say I'm doing until after I have that appointment. But while I was on here making the other videos that I made where I have on this city, um, I just wanted to give a update in terms of the knee surgery and the recovery. But I'm doing pretty good with my walker, and that is all I wanted to share with you all today. Have an amazing rest of your day, and go be great.